In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access safety and emergency. Then tap on emergency contacts and click on Add Emergency Contact. Now just click on all of your contacts that you wish to add, and when you finished, hit Done at the bottom. When you're ready, you can scroll down, and to use this feature, make sure that this switcher next to Show Unlocked screen is blue. To delete any of your contacts, use those three dots at the top right corner. Hit Delete. Tap on the one that you wish to remove and confirm your choice at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!